Hey there, coin collectors and history buffs. Welcome back to All Old Rare Coins, the place where we explore the stories behind the coins in your pocket. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history and details of the 1991 United States $1 dime. What makes it special? Let's find out. First, a quick history lesson. The US dime, also known as the 10-cent coin, has been part of American currency since 1796. The design we're all familiar with today, the Roosevelt dime, was introduced in 1946. It commemorates President Franklin D. Roosevelt, who played a significant role in establishing the March of Dimes to combat polio. The design was created by sculptor John R. Sinek, and it's been a staple of American coinage for over 75 years. Let's take a closer look at the 1991 dime. On the obverse, we see a profile of Franklin D. Roosevelt, along with the words, "Liberty, in God we trust," and the date, 1991. The mint mark, if there is one, can be found just above the date. For example, D for Denver or P for Philadelphia. Now, flipping to the reverse, we have the iconic torch, flanked by an olive branch symbolizing peace and an oak branch representing strength. The words United States of America and E pluribus unum complete the design. Did you know that over 1.1 billion Roosevelt dimes were minted in 1991? Most of these were struck at the Philadelphia and Denver mints, with a smaller number produced in San Francisco as proofs.so. What about value? A standard 1991 dime is worth its face value, thousands dollars, unless it's in uncirculated or proof condition. High-grade specimens can fetch $20,000 to $35,000, and rare errors like double dies or off-center strikes can be worth much more. Here's a fun fact: the dime is the smallest and thinnest coin currently minted in the US, but its history and design make it larger than life in significance. So, whether you're a collector or just curious about the coins you use daily, the 1991 dime is a piece of history worth appreciating. What's the coolest coin you've ever found in your change? Let me know in the comments below. Now, we're taking a closer look at the 2016 United States $1 dime, also known as the Roosevelt dime. Is it just a small coin, or is there more to it? Let's find out. The Roosevelt dime has been a part of U.S. coinage since 1946, created to honor Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States. Why Roosevelt? He played a pivotal role in founding the March of Dimes, a campaign that helped eradicate polio. The dime's design, crafted by John R. Sinek, has stood the test of time and remains a symbol of leadership and resilience. Now, let's zoom in on the 2016 Roosevelt dime. On the obverse, we have Roosevelt's profile along with the inscriptions, "Liberty, in God we trust," and the date, 2016. The mint mark is located just above the date, P for Philadelphia, D for Denver, or S for San Francisco if it's a proof coin. The reverse features the classic design of a torch in the center, symbolizing liberty, flanked by an olive branch for peace and an oak branch for strength. The inscriptions include United States of America, E pluribus unum, and $1 dime. In 2016, millions of dimes were minted. Here's the breakdown. The Philadelphia Mint produced over 1.5 billion dimes, while the Denver Mint struck over 1.3 billion. The San Francisco Mint produced a smaller number of proof dimes for collectors. In terms of value, circulated 2016 dimes are worth $10,000 to $15,000, but uncirculated or proof versions can sell for $1,000. Rare errors, such as double strikes or off-center coins, can significantly increase the value, sometimes reaching thousands of dollars. Here's a fun fact: the dime is the only US coin that doesn't say its denomination in words like 10 cents. Instead, it simply says $1 dime. Cool, right? So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just someone curious about the coins you use daily, the 2016 dime is another piece of history in your pocket. Have you ever found a rare or unique dime? Share your stories in the comments below. Now, we're looking at the 2008 United States $1 dime, small in size but rich in history. Stick around to discover its design, minting details, and why this coin is a timeless treasure. First, a quick look at the legacy of the Roosevelt dime. Introduced in 1946, it honors President Franklin D. Roosevelt, who championed the fight against polio through the March of Dimes campaign. The dime's design, created by John R. Sinek, symbolizes liberty, peace, and strength, values Roosevelt embodied. Let's take a closer look at the 2008 dime. On the obverse, we have Franklin D. Roosevelt's profile with the inscriptions, "Liberty, in God we trust," and the year 2008. The mint mark is right above the date, P for Philadelphia, D for Denver, or S for San Francisco if it's a proof coin. On the reverse, we see a torch symbolizing liberty, flanked by an olive branch for peace and an oak branch for strength. Surrounding the design are the words, United States of America, E pluribus unum, and one dime. It's a simple yet powerful design. Now, let's talk about how many were made. In 2008, the Philadelphia Mint produced over 774 million dimes, while the Denver Mint struck over 637 million. The San Francisco Mint also produced proof coins for collectors. In circulated condition, the 2008 dime is worth its face value, thousands. However, uncirculated versions and proofs can fetch a premium. High-grade specimens might sell for $20,000 to $50,000, while rare errors, like off-center strikes or die misalignments, can be worth much more. Here's a fun fact: despite being the smallest and thinnest coin in circulation, the dime has been a key part of U.S. coinage for over 225 years. And did you know the Roosevelt dime has had the same design since 1946, making it one of the longest-running designs in U.S. history? So, that's the story of the 2008 United States one dime, a small but mighty piece of history. In the end, we're talking about the 2013 United States one dime, an iconic coin with a legacy that spans decades. What makes it so special? Let's dive in. The Roosevelt dime has been a part of U.S. currency since 1946. It was introduced to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt after his passing, not only for his leadership but also for his role in the March of Dimes, which helped fight polio. Designed by John R. Sinek, the dime has remained unchanged for over 75 years. Its design stands as a tribute to Roosevelt's legacy and the values he championed: liberty, peace, and strength. Now let's zoom in on the 2013 dime. On the obverse, you'll see Franklin D. Roosevelt's profile. Around it are the inscriptions, "Liberty, in God we trust," and the date, 2013. The mint mark, which tells you where the coin was made, is just above the date, P for Philadelphia, D for Denver, or S for San Francisco if it's a proof coin. On the reverse, we have the iconic torch in the center, symbolizing liberty, flanked by an olive branch for peace and an oak branch for strength. Surrounding it are the words, United States of America, E pluribus unum, and one dime. It's a timeless design that packs a lot of meaning into a small coin. In 2013, the Philadelphia Mint produced over 1 billion dimes, while the Denver Mint struck about 1.2 billion. The San Francisco Mint also created proof dimes, which are highly sought after by collectors. Circulated 2013 dimes are worth their face value, thousands, but uncirculated or proof versions can be worth more, usually between $12,000 and $25,000. Rare mint errors, like double strikes or off-center coins, can fetch significantly higher prices. Here's a fun fact: the dime is the only U.S. coin that doesn't say its value in words like $1,000. Instead, it simply says, one dime. Also, did you know the dime is both the smallest and thinnest coin in circulation? Small but mighty. So, there you have it, the 2013 United States one dime. It's more than just spare change, it's a piece of history you can hold in your hand. Have you ever come across a rare or unique dime? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe to All Old Rare Coins, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more coin stories. Until next time, happy collecting.